ngayon po magtuturo siya kung paano mag-split. So, anong first step? Go. Oh. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Okay, try mo mag-split kung kaya mo na. Ganyan. Tsaka po, stop muna namin tapos ako na po magtuturo bending. Pakita mo. Hi guys, yan. Magtuturo naman ako ng bending. The first step is warm up. Yan. Second is third step is what is look out and put your hands out into like this. Ganon. And you can hold your like this, that, and ganyan mo.
Kaya mo?
Ganyan.
Kaya mo? Kaya mo yun?
Then bending. And this is your ganito dapat yung foot niya. Pakita mo. Ganyan. Let's go. Let's
Kaya mo naman kasi talaga.
cut. Yan po. Kaya po gusto lang po namin sumikat kasi po gusto po ng lola namin. Kaya bye-bye.